Your Honor, we have no further questions for this witness.
Rick, is there any
No cross, Your Honor.
cross-examination?
No cross-examination, Your Honor.
All right. Who wants to? The gentleman from Pampanga.
Patingin ng mga titles.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, just a clarification, a clarificatory question with respect to our city acting Register of Deeds of Quezon City.
Yes,
You mentioned earlier na there is this property in Quezon City sold to Carla Castillo. Is that not right?
yes, Your Honor.
And this was sold October 18, 2010. Is this the La Vista property? I'm sort of confused. Would you or is this a different property?
Your Honor, the La Vista property is a property with an area of 1,200 square meters, Your Honor. This was previously owned by spouses, Cristina Corona, married to Renato Corona, and this was sold to Maria Carla Castillo, married to Constantino T. Castillo III, Your Honor.
Hindi.
Yes. When was this sold?
The date of the deed of absolute sale, Your Honor, is October 18, 2010, Your Honor.
So this is the La Vista property that is 1,200 square meters.
Yes, Your Honor.
It was acquired in 2003 by the Coronas, if I'm not mistaken, and then sold in 2010.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who did they acquire it from? Would you have records? Is that the Bocalin?
Your Honor, this this property was previously covered by Transfer Certificate of Title number RT-96031, open toes parentheses, 270444, previously registered in the name of Victor N. Bocaling, Your Honor.
Okay, so that is a La Vista property purchased in 2003 from Bocalin and then sold in 2010 October to Carla Castillo for 18 million pesos.
Yes, Your Honor.
So there is no other property sold in La Vista to other persons by the Coronas. I mean, based on your record.
I believe, sir, this is the only property in La Vista previously owned by the CJ, the Chief Justice, Your Honor.
87 marami. Is this the, well, this is the question that is requested of me to be raised by to you by the Senator Lacson. Is this the Maranao property? Would you know?
Your Honor, I have no particularity of the property. Our records simply indicate that this is the La Vista property, Your Honor.
Is there any other property in Pansol apart from the La Vista property on your record? Yes, I'm.
Pansol. Pansol is another street?
Is
Another street in La Vista or...
Is Pansol in La Vista or is this another?
It's a barangay in the 3rd District, Mr. President. Barangay in the 3rd District of Quezon City, Barangay Pansol.
So that would have been the, just to clarify, that would have been the 8 million peso property sold to the spouses Rivera in Barangay Pansol.
This is a property, Your Honor, covered previously by Transfer Certificate of Title number 85121 in the name of spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina Corona, which was the subject matter of the sale in favor of spouses Rodel V. Rivera and Amelia E. Rivera, Your Honor.
And that
for
is
the amount of
located
8
in
million
Pansol.
pesos, Your Honor.
Located in Pansol.
That is located in Pansol.
All
Your
right.
Honor, specifically identified on the technical description, this is a property located in Barangay Matandang Balara, Quezon City, Your Honor.
Matandang Balara.
Yeah, and that was how much? 8 million, no?
For 8 million
Okay.
pesos,
thank you.
Your Honor.
Neighboring barangay.
And apart from this Matandang Balara, is there a property in Pansol?
Iba yun.
Your Honor, if we check the CAR, the Certificate Authorizing Registration of the Sale between Cristina R. Corona in favor of Maria Carla C. Castillo, involving Transfer Certificate of Title Number NDAS-254901, the location of property as specified in the Certificate Authorizing Registration is Pansol, Diliman, Quezon City, Your Honor.
Referring to the La Vista property.
Yes,
So
Your
La
Honor.
Vista is the subdivision, perhaps Pansol is the barangay. Perhaps, no?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.
We move, Your Honor, that the witness be discharged.
Mr. President, Senator Escudero wants to be recognized before we discharge the witness.
The gentleman from Susumat. I just want to clarify. The Pansol or La Vista property is the one that was sold for 18 million.
Your Honor, the La Vista property was sold for 18 million, Your Honor.
And that's the what is known as located in Pansol.
The La Vista property, this was indicated as La Vista property with an area of 1,200 square meter, Your Honor. And this was the subject matter of the sale for 18 million pesos, Your Honor.
What about the property which was supposed to be
Ang La Vista na sa Pansol.
in Pansol?
Oo. Tsaka Loyola Grand Villas.
Are they the same? No.
They are different, Your Honor.
Senator Escudero.
Mr. President, just a clarification. Mr. Witness, when you were first called here, ito rin ba yung mga bagay-bagay na nag-testify kayo?
Ito din po, Your Honor.
Lahat? Yung mga documents na pina-identify, pati yung mga transfer certificate of title, yun din yung tinestifiyan po rin yun nun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Lahat. So we're talking about the same documents and the same exhibits.
I believe, Your Honor.
Wala kayong bagong pinresentang dokumento sa amin?
Wala po, Your Honor.
So lahat ng pinresenta nyo noon, nung pinatawag kayo ng prosecution, yun din ang pinresenta nyo ngayon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Walang labis, walang kulang? Defense counsel, would that be correct?
There is one title, Your Honor, the title of the property in Riveras. This was not marked in the previous testimony. But as to the other documents, Your Honor, there were no sub-markings for the registered owners and the date of entries of these titles in the documents marked by the prosecution. And to us, Your Honor, this data is material to our defenses, Your Honor.
No, so at the time you came here, you knew it was already registered in the name of another person, but that no question was propounded to you as to that fact?
Your Honor, I remember that the chief prosecutor or chief defense questioned the presentation of the titles not registered in the name of spouses Renato C. Corona, married to Cristina R. Corona, Your Honor.
Pero wala yung TCT na nasa record naman ninyo na nasa ibang pangalan na?
We submitted likewise, Your Honor, the copy, or we presented also the titles which are not registered in the name of spouses Renato Corona.
At that time?
At that time, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. President, Your Honor. Thank you. Just to clarify.
All right. Majority Floor Leader. The gentleman from Pampanga.
Yes, Mr. President. I just got a little more confused after the Senate President raised the question of whether Pansol and La Vista were the same property, because the witness said it is not. Are we talking of three properties here? La Vista, Pansol, and Matandang Balara? Is that right? Or just two properties?
Two properties, Your Honor.
So, the La Vista property is not the Pansol property.
Your Honor, as I have mentioned earlier, the La Vista, in the certificate authorizing registration, also classified this property as under Pansol, Barangay Pansol, Your Honor.
So that is one property.
Yes, Your Honor.
And because when the Senate President asked you, are these the same? You said they are different. So I got confused. Is La Vista and Pansol the same property?
Based on the entries on the certificate authorizing registration for this 1,200 square meter lot, Your Honor, they are the same.
So they are the same. Okay. So the other one is Matandang Balara.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that these are just two properties.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.